Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 117, C. Get ready for the dictation. Start. As to the architect's project for the alteration of the club premises, I rather suspect that his idea of the architectural possibilities is imperfect and incorrect. With great respect to him, because of the imperfection of my acquaintance with architecture, I respectfully suggest that he should take counsel with someone whose architectural ability would entitle him to express an opinion. I quite expect the architect will consider me disrespectful, and I am upset at the prospect of a disagreement with him. My object is to secure an inspection of the premises as they are, and I believe that unexpected and indeed unsuspected possibilities may develop as a result. There can be no disrespect in suggesting that a retrospective view of the case, so as to secure a proper perspective, should be undertaken. This is exactly what I suggested some time ago, but it was considered an interference with the administration, and no steps were taken. Stop. Thank you.